So I wanted to try Google Colab as my to run my Python commands, and I was having a hard time because so normally when you're doing a print command, you just do the command and it executes it. But not every code editor will execute without the print, so you want to get into a good habit. So I tried doing, I was just seeing maybe there was something wrong with what I was typing because I tried everything. These aren't my original code um, lines because I kept doing it over and over with, without quotes. If maybe I wasn't doing parentheses, I did without everything. As you can see, it prints without the print command, as you can see. But I wanted to add the print because sometimes I'm doing multiple lines and I wanted to show. So I got here Gemini, I believe this is Gemini, was helping me with what was wrong, but it's still not helping. So it said that my options are to put in uh, a built-in, which is like an add-on. So I went to a YouTube channel and I tried doing, let's see what I tried to do. I tried to do exclamation pip install print, and then I did import print, and it still didn't work. I even thought, oh, maybe I'm doing without spaces. I did 2+2 with and without spaces, and still wasn't giving my print command. So then I did another command to try to do the add-on. So I typed from built-ins import print, and as you can see, using my print command, it came out correct. And yeah, I also did my text string and it came out. So if anyone's having this same problem and you want to actually try to do best practice, especially when you're using different code editors, yeah, I would put in the add-in. So here it is, from built-ins import print. Good luck.